If you could give any founder one piece of advice, David, what do you think that advice would be?
Yeah, I think it depends on the stage. And
Sure.
so I think the earliest founders, and for context, I've invested in a handful of companies, mainly at the earliest stages, and so I think my advice will likely be skewed towards those early stage founders. Is make sure that you are maximizing the number of touch points from a breadth standpoint in the early days. And so one of the cautions that I hear founders is that they play it very close to the vest, right? Here's my idea. I don't want to share it with anyone. But in those early days, like the idea is kind of worthless, right? It's all about execution. And I'm not going to go into the trite saying there, but the mistake that I've seen people make is like they don't share it, they don't find the right people. And the best thing that you could do as an early stage startup founder is find the other people that can help you go further. And so the go further could be a
Yes.
customer, the go further could be a co-founder, the go further could be that awesome teammate that you didn't know existed, or someone you used to work with before. Now it's time to get the band back together because he or she is exactly who you need. Those are the things that you need to do at those early stages to make you grow faster. And so the really good founders in the early stages know how to do that, and they know how to manage their time. And the multiple time founders and entrepreneurs that have sold before, they like implicitly get that, and they also have that network to tap into. And so for them it's a little bit easier, right? Because you already have a set number of people that would be really good quality. But even if you're a first time founder, like maximize those connections in the very beginning.
100% yes. We mentioned it in the call today a couple times. Building those relationships of folks that can help you with what you're trying to achieve is key. And now that you're trying to achieve that thing, that's when you call those markers in. That's when you get that help, because you're right, especially in the beginning, speed is huge. Most founders, whether they're bootstrapped or funded, have a limited amount of money to get to a revenue generating point and then to a positive revenue generating point. And the faster they can get there, the better. That's great advice.